alleges.
We know 2-year-old Melani White had some level of autism and was nonverbal, but the family and their attorneys say what's most troubling here is not much has changed almost 2 years later. Almost 2 years later, the pain is still the same for the mother of baby Melani White. The 2-year-old died in 2024 after drowning in a retention pond at the Bennett Creek Apartments. Now White and her attorney have filed this wrongful death lawsuit against Richmond Property Services for their failure to secure the pond.
When that pond was first designed, the land around it was gradual as it entered the water. It wasn't steep, no sharp gradient. And even more, the land as it entered the water was covered in native bushy plants. Plants that were there to combat erosion and to deter somebody from ending up in the water, like a child. But that's no longer the case.
In the lawsuit, the attorney alleges that because the complex did not inspect the unit before the family moved in, that allowed them to live in a home with an ineffective door. The lawsuit also accuses the company of maintaining a dangerous pond, failure to warn residents that the pond was dangerous, noting that it contained alligators, and failure to train employees on pond safety. Today, a memorial rests near the pond, marking the tragedy that happened here. Still, almost 2 years later, there is no sign of a barrier around it to prevent another tragic accident.
I need just a change. I need a fix. I need something different, something to know that I'm being heard, that we're all being heard, that somebody cares. This is serious.
Now, we did reach out to Richmond Property Services for their response to these accusations and this lawsuit, but we've yet to hear back. For local coverage you can count on the South Side, Deja Mayfield, Action News Jax.